I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
However you pronounce it, pecan pie or pecan pie. Welcome to Let's Google It, everyone, and today I'm going to call it pecan pie. It's just to make Megan happy. Plus, pecan pie sounds a little cuter than pecan pie. And today I'm focusing on the filling only. And I'm leaving the crust to my buddy, the dough boy. So he's taking care of the crust, I'm taking care of the filling, and let's see the results we have. So let me begin with the crust. Perfect, there's two of them. And already pre-rolled. And the thickness is so perfect, not too thin, not too thick. Well, Mr. Doughboy made my life easy today. Now, before we place the dough in the plate, and I'm using here a commercial 9-inch aluminum plate, I'm going to spray it with the cooking spray. I never take a chance, I always play it on the safe side. So make sure, brush it, side, bottom, edges. And in addition to this, I'm gonna add some cornmeal. Cornmeal, it helps the heat can go through so you won't end it up with a bubble. Now, let's place the dough in. And with the side of your fingers, push in a little bit, so make sure the dough take the plate shape. And we're not going to trim the edges now. We're gonna make the filling first. Now, let's put it on the side. And we're gonna begin making the filling. So I'm gonna start with the water, cornstarch, and mix until they're smooth. Now I'm gonna add a 3 whole eggs. Mix well. A pinch of salt. Maple syrup. Dark corn syrup. Brown sugar. Mix well for the sugar to dissolve. Melted butter. And melted butter, put it almost at the end so it brighten up the color. Look at that beautiful color. Now we're gonna add the half pecan. And last, I'm going to put the flavor, which is rum extract and vanilla extract. Now everything ready to go in the pie shell. And he's watching me trying to steal the recipe, which is okay, it's fine, he helped me today. Now let's fill up the crust. Wow, look at this, perfect amount. Now with the edge of the knife, put it against the plate and just run it against the plate like this. And make sure your oven preheated on a 350, and we're gonna put it in for 40 to 45 minutes and we'll check on it later. Now let's see here the result. Took exactly 45 minutes and look at that beautiful pie. Now I always say it all depends on the oven you use. Might take 5 minutes less, 5 minutes more, but look at this. Beautiful. You push, bounce back, it's good to go. You're gonna leave it for to reach a room temperature, then we'll cool it down a couple of hours in the fridge and time to enjoy. So this time I was patient enough to let it rest in the fridge. So 45-minute bake, and look at that beautiful golden pecan pie. Time to enjoy. Yum. Look at this. Let's dig in. Wow, Mr. Doughboy, he did unbelievable job for the crust, and the filling was amazing. So pecan pie, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.